Today I'm going to walk you through on how to change your password of Amazon Prime. Changing your password of accounts is always a good idea to keep your account secure. In case of Amazon Prime, you cannot change it within the application of Amazon Prime. You'll need to open up your web browsers and then search for primevideo.com. Once you're here, you just need to log into your Prime Video account and tap on the profile icon on the top right. From here, you'll see a couple of options. You just tap on accounts and settings. In the next page, under your accounts, you'll see your details. Just click on edit on Amazon and the website of amazon.com will open up. You just need to again log into your account and then just tap on edit on the password option. Once you do, you'll need to first type in your current password. After that, tap and create a new password. And again, you'll need to re-enter it on the second box to confirm it. Now once you fill in all these three options, you just tap on save changes. And there you go, your password of Amazon Prime will be successfully changed. That was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.